In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted user account in Google Workspace, a task you can accomplish in just a few minutes. Whether accidental deletions have occurred in your organization or you need to restore a key user account, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Start by accessing Google Workspace. Open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace homepage. Next, head over to the Admin console, which is the essential hub for managing your organization's Google Workspace accounts, offering a wide array of tools for user and service management. Click on the Admin console link and, if prompted, log in using your business email. This ensures you have the proper administrative rights for your organization. Proper credentials are vital for both security and administrative control, so handle this information carefully. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Google Apps menu, usually represented by a grid of small squares. Click on it to reveal the range of Google services linked to your account. From this menu, locate and click the Admin icon to enter the heart of the Admin panel, where all user management features are housed. Within the Admin section, look for Directory, a key area for managing users in Google Workspace. Click on Directory, then select Users to see a list of accounts associated with your organization. Next, find the More Options link to expand your administrative toolkit. Among these options, select Recently Deleted Users. This section logs all user accounts that have been deleted, allowing you to track their status over time. In the Recently Deleted Users section, you can recover any deleted accounts. Carefully browse the list, identify the account you wish to restore, and follow the prompts to recover it. Timing is important here. Deleted accounts are usually only recoverable within a limited window, so act quickly to avoid any loss of data or functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully recover a deleted user account in Google Workspace. Always ensure you are operating within your organization's policies and have the necessary permissions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to manage your Google Workspace confidently and efficiently.